So having a joint bank account is not the magic bullet that's going to get you a partner visa grant, as much as we would like for that to be. The department is after evidence showing that the both of you are in a genuine and ongoing relationship, meaning that they want to see both of you are jointly involved in making financial decisions together. So having a joint bank account is a good idea, but you need to utilize it a little bit. You need to use it to pay for bills like electricity, water bills, phone bills, things like that. You need to actively engage with it so as to present to the department a very convincing piece of evidence. But at the end of the day, if you're still confused as to what's there to provide and what you can't provide, you can always speak to one of our registered migration agents here at Freedom Migration.